Gillon the new engine. A new tender engine was coming down the line with a passenger train. He was so excited to make new friends. "Hello," he said. "Who are you, and what are you doing with Annie and Clarabelle?" "I'm Percy," he replied. "I'm taking Annie and Clarabelle because Thomas has been taken ill." "Stop talking to small engines," said Gordon as he pulled away with the express. "Never mind him," said Percy. "He's just bossy." Gordon was going happily down the line. "Good thing I'm far away from that little green tank engine," he said. Although Gordon hadn't realized it, he was going the wrong way. By the time he had realized it, Omri was getting ready to leave with a flatbed of pipes. Gordon crashed into the flatbed, causing Omri to fall off the edge, and the pipes came off. He smashed into a freight car, causing butter to fall onto Gordon, making him very cross. Omri was also cross. "I fell into a boat that will take me back to the other railway." James pushed the express down the hill in reverse and then took it over. Then Percy and Gillon came to the scene of the disaster. "Well, well, well, if it isn't Mr. Wrongway," chuckled Percy, and Gordon was upset. Sir Topham Hatt was cross with Gordon. "Gordon, you have caused confusion and delay. Not only did you go the wrong way and crash, but you also shouted at our new engine," he boomed. Gordon now felt ashamed for what he had done. "After you have been cleaned and repaired, you will shunt freight cars at Vickerstown yards for the rest of the month," Sir Topham Hatt added, and then he left. Gillon and Percy took Gordon to the works. Meanwhile, on the other railway, Diesel oiled up next to Omri. "You will be scrapped soon," he said, and he went off. Then Percy and Gillon went to rescue Omri. When they arrived at the yards, Omri spoke to Gillon and Percy. "Thank you two for helping me escape the other railway," said Omri. "You're welcome," said Percy. "Gillon, can we be friends?" "Definitely," he said, and then Omri left to collect his afternoon passenger train. "You know," said Percy, Sir Topham Hatt has sent us to work together tomorrow. What a great idea, said Gillon, and the two friends talked to each other for the rest of the day.